Hi guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I am starting off with kind of letting you know that I did film a tutorial on my heatless curls that is already up on my channel, so definitely go check it out. I will have the link listed above. And then what I'm really up to today is me and Carly are packing up our shit and we're getting the heck out of here. Almost 9 days, but you know, we're jumping the gun a little bit. We're packing up all of our things, just making sure everything is going to be very, very smooth for the move. And because it is in 9 days, obviously both of us work and have other things going on. So today's one of the days where we're both off. So we've been kind of, you know, tackling the kitchen, getting things off the walls, all of our mirrors. I'm just so excited to move. So you guys are finally gonna have an apartment tour. Like, I'm very excited to not only redecorate, also incorporate pieces we already have and just have a new space. So obviously I'm gonna share all of that with you. But I'm gonna get back to some packing up, and then I'm actually meeting a girlfriend of mine at the beach. We're gonna just chit chat, catch up. She also does Monate, so we're gonna talk a few details of what we got up our sleeves for the end of the summer. And we're gonna take her dog and let him roam around. He's a little lab, so he's adorable, and I haven't met him yet, so I'm excited to do that. So this is Tuesday, start of the vlog right now. It is a Wednesday. I haven't checked in with you today. I've kind of just been working. I had to get a brand approval for a video. I've been packing. Carly and I are moving in 8 days, right? Yes, 8 days. The countdown just keeps getting smaller and smaller, and we just cannot wait. So we've been packing, getting some things organized, and I've just kind of been doing things around the house. So that's kind of why I haven't checked in. Now I'm at a very nice house. I'll show it to you when I get inside of it. But we're at a nice house. They're having an open house, so I'm bartending it with a couple of the babes. If you are local to the South Florida area, meaning you are based in Miami or Jupiter, so that's where Babes runs through, Miami through Jupiter, and want to hire babes for a private event, a corporate party, whatever the case may be, I'll leave Natalia's contact down below so you can check out the babes website. It's simple as picking your girls, picking the date, and obviously she'll go over the rates with you. So it's very simple. She has a good business, which is why I've been working for her for over a year now. So our attire is a slicked back bun, smoky eye, and red lip, and then obviously we're gonna change. So she does all the girls' uniforms, so we all look the same, we all have the same makeup, we all have the same hair, and we all have the same outfit. So it's kind of catered to whatever theme you're trying to have for your party. So it's a very, very nice service that she offers. So that's kind of what's up with me. I know a lot of you ask for me to film more when I'm at these events, but I feel like really, honestly, for the most part, all I'm gonna be able to get is some B-roll when I get there, because as soon as I start, I'm going. I'm busy. I don't have a chance to really film, and to be honest, I don't really know if that's appropriate with me being at work. You know, people are here trying to enjoy a party, or, you know, maybe check out a house if they're gonna buy it. So me filming them is just not really, you know, something I should be doing at the time. So I'm sorry, but I always try and get whatever clips I can for the time being. You guys know that. So I hope you understand. It is Friday and I am with my mom. We are going to grab some brunch, lunch, breakfast. It's 11 o'clock. My GPS is telling me where to go. I look slightly crazy. I had dry hair and decided to put some mousse in it, which I definitely think it like livened it up a little bit. As mentioned, my heatless curls tutorial is up on my channel. Definitely go show me some love. I would really greatly appreciate it. But yes, my mom just finished the closing of my grandma's house, so that is pretty much all wrapped up. One chapter in the book that we are closing. So we decided to go out today and kind of spend some time together and enjoy it. It's gonna, if you just keep going straight, it's gonna be up here on the right. So yeah, we're going to a place called JB's on the beach. Alright, Siri just keeps chatting to me. So we're gonna go to a place called JB's on the beach. I've never been here before, but it's really nice, and again, it's on the beach, so that's cool. I should show you what I picked up from the mall. The first is this top from PacSun. I did get it in an extra small because the small was just too large on my bust. It was $29.95, and I just love the low cut detail. It has a nice cute little bow in the front. I felt like the red, white, and kind of, I think it's blue, but it could pass for black. Pinstripes would be perfect for 4th of July. So this is what I'm gonna wear, I think, with some dark denim. I was on the hunt for a pair of white jeans. These are the Jamie high-rise ankle grazers from Topshop. I have these in a black, and they were on sale for $50. So I love the way that they fit. They work perfectly, and no sense spending more than I needed to. So I already know that this is a nice pair of jeans, and I'm happy it came in the white color that I was looking for. I did want a pair of dress shorts as well. I just love pairing dress shorts with a cute little top and heels for kind of like a happy hour or a networking event. So this is just a nice blush color. It is a size 2 mid-rise shorty. These were from Express, and these were on sale for 25 bucks instead of 50. So I was hitting all the bargains today. So love that piece as well. I am out of face makeup, so I picked up the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This is an oldie but a goodie. I got medium plus, so that's what that looks like. Hello. And then I've heard great reviews about the Too Faced Born This Way. This is luminous, oil-free, and it's medium to full coverage foundation. So the color I purchased is warm nude. So I will keep you posted on how I like this duo together, but I'm overall very happy with my little haul. The cats are being sweet right now, so here's my little precious Will. Let me go show you, oh, as she gets her claws out. Let me show you Isabel now. How adorable is Isabel right now? So I just got back from the gym, and this is what I come home to. I am back from the gym, and I'm also back from Publix, which Publix is kind of like your friendly grocery store. Florida is known for having Publix. And as much as Publix, you know, is near and dear to my heart, and that's where I shopped when I was younger, Trader Joe's has kind of evolved and has been my go-to grocery store just because I find it's cheaper. So I only really go to Publix when I'm specifically looking for something, and that's exactly why I went today, because Trader Joe's doesn't have what I needed for my recipes tomorrow for our crawfish boil, and you guys will see me prepare the dishes that I'm bringing. But a bunch of our friends are getting together tomorrow. We're gonna have, like, you know, games and drinks and crawfish, and like everyone's, obviously we do our dinners and lunches and like parties really potluck style, so everybody brings something. So I'm making an Oriental coleslaw that my mom like used to make for parties, and it's always been a hit. So she suggested I bring that. And then I'm also doing a fruit salad, but again, I'll show you all that tomorrow. So let me just show you what I bought from Publix. I spent $80, saved a total of $24, so it wasn't too bad. And I just kind of did my grocery shop there because convenience, you know, and I'm also moving in 6 days. How many times can I count down every single day? It's gonna be a day shorter, but just know how excited I am, and that's why I feel the need to say it. So I don't wanna put too much in my fridge because in a week, less than a week, I'm out. Anyways, let's get on to the grocery haul. Also, let me know if you guys like grocery hauls. I like seeing what people buy because it puts me in like a healthy mentality. So definitely let me know if you would like to see more grocery hauls, because I feel like I feature one in every vlog. So let me know if you're enjoying them. I got this Dave's Killer bread. It's thin sliced, it's organic bread. It has whole grains and seeds, and it just looked like a nice bread. It didn't look like the ingredients were anything crazy when I looked at it. It's all things I can pronounce, all, you know, organic, you know, ingredients, which I prefer. It's no high fructose corn syrup or artificial preservatives, no artificial ingredients. So I'm really excited to try this. I love toast in the morning with my eggs. Coffee Coffee was buy one, get one free, so I got this Seattle's Best Coffee Portside Blend, medium roast, so I got 2 of those. I have a lot of stuff, so like I'm gonna just have to start packing it places. Ramen noodles for my coleslaw, which I only need, I think, like 2 packages, so then I'm gonna have a ton of extra ramen noodles. Great. Nice thing to have in the cabinet. Not really. My water bottle from the gym, because that's where I just got back from. Hashtag swole. That's why my AirPods are still in, you know, I'm still repping the gym look. I picked up 2 yogurts. These are the So Delicious dairy-free coconut milk, unsweetened flavors, just because they have less than a gram of sugar. So yes, down for that. I've never tried that brand, so I'll let you know what I think. Also by So Delicious, I picked up their coconut milk creamer. This is the French vanilla flavor. I really was liking my Khalifa Farms creamer, but I just wanted to try something new. This is like $3.50 compared to Khalifa, which is almost towards $6, which it's worth it, but I just want to see how that tastes. Kombucha was buy one, get one free, so I'm excited for this. I do like Big Easy Bucha. I've had their brand before. This one is the Satsuma Kombucha. No idea. And the other flavor is pineapple and elderflower. So I got those as a treat. Another treat are my Perfect bars. I purchased the peanut butter and coconut peanut butter flavors, so that's cool. Mandarin oranges for my coleslaw. I got a sweet potato for dinner tonight. Red wine and vinegar for my coleslaw recipe. I got this organic extra firm tofu. My phone's going off, so if you hear that, who is texting me? Oh, Brittany, of course. Oh, hey Brittany, just always popping into my life. I really like the extra firm tofu. I find that as much as I liked just firm tofu, you know, it's easy to crumble, the extra firm definitely has like a nice texture to it. I don't know. So I'm gonna have that for dinner tonight too with asparagus, which you're gonna see in a second. I got an onion, blueberries for my salad, cherries. Oh, so excited for cherries. I love cherries, but never buy them because they're expensive. Banana, mushrooms, peaches, lemon and lime, red onion, or not red onion, scallions, green onions for my oriental coleslaw, asparagus for dinner. Wow, running out of space. Spinach, coleslaw, and strawberries. So that is all I purchased at the grocery store. Definitely going to have a nice variety in my fridge. Now I need a shower, make some dinner. I will check in with you when it's all cooked. So I'm getting ready for bed. It is 10:22 on a Friday night, and that's the wrap for me. I want to mention this product that I've been loving. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. If that would focus. So it definitely adds a nice like milky pink color to your lips. But the reason why I like it is because it really is so moisturizing. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. Oh, your girl did it. It's $20, but it comes with a lot of product, and I use this every night and I still have so much left. So you can get this at Sephora, but it has definitely become a big part of my nighttime routine, so I definitely thought I would shout it out before the night ends. So I'm gonna get to bed. I got some things to do in the morning, and then we have our party, so I will check in with you after I've slept. It is now the morning, and although these pancakes don't look that appetizing, they really are. I love Kodiak cakes. This is just the original version, so it's whole wheat, oat, and honey. You only put water in it. They do have 8 grams of protein per serving, and I am just having that with my coffee. So this is my pre-workout meal. I'm gonna head to the gym and then get ready for the soiree. My post-workout shake, it's a banana, a scoop of protein powder, some maca powder. I also have PB2 in there, ice, spinach, oat milk, and then I topped it with my homemade granola, which I will link the recipe right here on the screen. And then I also have hemp seeds, so cheers. This is the outfit of the day with my ugly background of a moving house. I've been thinking about this for a few minutes now, where I got this dress from, and I honestly forget. Oh, Intrigue Couture, that's where it's from. I modeled for them and they let me take home a piece, so open back. I love this dress. I pretty much overwore it a couple summers ago, so I haven't broke it out recently. I have hoops on from Francesca's, a little diamond necklace from Brandy Melville, usual rings. My purse is from Amazon, which the little circular metal part fell off, so that's kind of a bummer. And then my shoes, I think are from Macy's. So this is my outfit, and let's head to the party. Good morning, happy Sunday. I've actually been up since 6 o'clock. I went to bed really early last night. The party was so much fun. It's just so great getting everyone together, and as you guys saw, we had crawfish. I'm not gonna lie though, I did not partake in the crawfish eating. Something about ripping the heads off and sucking out the meat just wasn't doing it for me yesterday. So I watched everyone else enjoy it, and I had so much other food. I've always been a grandma, but my grandma tendencies are definitely like up to their prime. So I went to bed, which was really nice because I'm now well rested. I woke up at 6. And I'm heading to work in about an hour, so I'm gonna eat again. I already had overnight oats this morning with some coffee. I'm probably gonna make some eggs and a piece of toast before I head to the South Florida Fairgrounds in West Palm. There's a boat expo going on today, and I'm working for Jet Ride. I've worked for them in the past, you know, for Sunfest, and so now I'm gonna work for them today for this expo. So that's what is on my agenda, but I wanted to wrap up the vlog here. The vlogs are getting a little longer. Do you like the longer vlogs? Do you want shorter vlogs? I need to know the details, guys. Let me know what you want to watch, because obviously that's why I'm here, to provide that content for you. I have a lot going on this week. I move and then I go to San Francisco. So I'm really, really prepared for the week ahead of me. It's gonna be a good one. I hope you guys enjoyed your week. And again, and until my next video, I will see you guys then. Bye. Mwah.